Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be showing you some add-ons from Ipsy. This is not an Ipsy bag or the Ipsy Glam bag. It is just add-ons that I did before Christmas. I have two children that have very curly hair. Actually three. They have very curly hair and they like to keep it that way. Two of them, it's natural. The third one got a perm. So I decided when I saw all this stuff on the Ipsy sales a long time ago, I went ahead and picked some stuff up. Some of it's really made for just curly hair. This is a deep hair mask. This is a hair cream. It says Innate Hair Care Collection. So this is just the conditioner, deep conditioner. Is there a reason I bought this? My dog is right here eating the box. If you can see here, there she is, see? I don't know what it is with her and cardboard. Is this like every Yorkie with cardboard? I'm not sure. So, okay, so I bought that. I thought, since I bought the deep conditioner, I don't know, maybe I didn't buy anything else to go with that, but I bought sets here. So this is a Eat by Eden. It's a curl hydration conditioner. I don't remember. I think I paid like $45 for all of this because I believe it came in some sort of a set. This is Sensuals. This is Christmas Memories. I know this Christmas Memory stuff came in a set. I think. Oh, this smells super good. And let me see what exactly is this? This is says it's an ambience mist. I think it's for your hair, but it may not be. It may just be for, like, you know, for the air, but I think it is like a hair mist. I could be wrong. And then with that set came with this Sensuals. This is the hydrating hand and body lotion with the same scent. And then this one here, and what exactly is this? See, it's not very light in my house right now. We're expecting a storm to come through. This is moisturizing hand soap. So I know that came in a set all its own. So that one. And then Twisted Sister, I guess it is. It's just a curl spray. My kids use it after their showers. And then I bought this little thing. I believe this is whey. Isn't that pronounced whey? I thought I heard people say that on their videos, but this is just leave-in conditioner. I believe this was just one of those $3 sample things. Then I also bought this. This is a Saints and Sinners. And I've got the dog right here again. I don't have enough light. This is, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to read what it is, but I just don't have any light. I'm running out of light in my house. So I believe this is some sort of hair conditioner. I'm not being very helpful if I can't read what it is. Huh. Can you read this, Nicole?
I probably know it.
It says something cream right down there.
Divine Curl Cream.
Okay, it's curl cream. There it is. See, I bought stuff for my kids for their curly hair. So that's what that is. And then, thank you, Nicole. And then I've got this Wave Curl Cream. So I got them all sorts of stuff to try. Then I've got this by Eden. This is the Curl Hydration Shampoo. And I believe I showed you the Eden conditioner that I have already. It's not that one. Here's the Eden conditioner. So these are all things that we're going to try. And I thought they would be really great for the kids. They are currently using this right now. So this has been used, but the other stuff has not been used yet. We're just going to do one thing at a time. And Brooklyn is really trying to eat this box. She is so determined. I don't get it. I move her, and then she comes right back. Watch. See, there she is. Okay, I'm gonna move her again. Oh, this one's kind of hard this time. And let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna move her again. Okay, you guys get the picture, I'm sure. All right, that's it. That was just a bunch of stuff I bought from Ipsy. Now I'm expecting my very last Ipsy bag sometime this week, I hope. And that'll be it, my Ipsy Plus. I'm gonna miss it very, very much, but yeah. Say hi to Brooklyn, everyone. Say bye to Ipsy Box. No, for those of you that are new, I do not let her eat cardboard. Have no fear. She did choke a little bit one time, and that was the last time. So yeah, I don't let her do that, so don't worry. All right, everyone. Oh, sorry, Brooklyn. Everyone, please leave a comment down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please do so. I do have weekly giveaways. And that's it. I think that's it. Is that it, Nicole? Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all we have to say. 6 minutes and 24 seconds of shampoo and conditioner for curly hair. Bye, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.